Hope deferred makes the heart sick, but when the desire comes, it is a tree of life. Therefore remove sorrow from your heart, and put away evil from your flesh, for childhood and youth are vanity. Set me as a seal upon your heart, as a seal upon your arm, for love is as strong as death, jealousy as cruel as the grave, its flames are flames of fire, a most vehement flame. Your testimonies I have taken as a heritage forever, for they are the rejoicing of my heart. Anxiety in the heart of man causes depression, but a good word makes it glad. Go, eat your bread with joy, and drink your wine with a merry heart, for God has already accepted your works. Your word I have hidden in my heart, that I might not sin against you.